Hello everyone, how are you doing? This is MD Tech here for another quick tutorial. In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you guys how to change the default paper settings on your Canon printer. So if you want to adjust the type of paper size that's being used, in today's tutorial I'm going to show you guys how to do that. And without further ado, let's go ahead and jump right into it. So all you have to do is open up the search menu and type in Control Panel. Best result should come back with Control Panel. Go ahead and open that up. Set your view by up in the top right to Category View, and then select Hardware and Sound. Underneath Devices and Printers, select Advanced Printer Setup, and then select your Canon printer from this list, and then select Printing Preferences. And now versus printer paper size, you can click on the drop down here to select what size paper you want as your default printer paper size. So you have quite a selection here to pick from. Generally, most of you guys would be using either the standard letter size, legal size, or A4. However, there might be postcards or envelopes you might be using here as well, in which case you'd make that appropriate selection. And then at that point, you would select Apply and OK to save the change. And that is about it. So as always, thank you guys for watching this brief tutorial. I do hope I was able to help you out, and I do look forward to catching you all in the next tutorial. Goodbye.